He's incredibly powerful, flies fast and over long distances, has supervision, can see far even in dark environments, is intelligent and detects danger from all directions.
Is it a bird?
Is it a plane?
No, it's the super drone.
The new DJI drones, Mavic 4 and Matrice 4, are currently the most powerful compact drones on the market. Although designed for different applications, they share some similar features. So, I decided to make this video just out of curiosity, to compare the main specs and find out which one is truly the most powerful. Let's start by comparing the cameras. The Mavic 4 stands out for the high quality of its main camera. A Hasselblad with a 4/3 inch sensor, 28mm wide-angle lens, 100 megapixels of resolution, and 6K HDR video recording at 60 frames per second. The second camera is a medium telephoto with a 1/1.3 inch sensor, 70mm lens, 48 megapixels of resolution, and can record 4K HDR at 60 frames per second. The third camera is a long telephoto with a 1/1.5 inch sensor, 168mm lens, 50 megapixels of resolution, and also records 4K HDR at 60 frames per second. This triple camera setup enables hybrid zoom of up to 24x. The Matrice comes in two models with different camera setups. The Matrice 4E, designed for geospatial applications, and the Matrice 4T, which features a thermal camera and is built for security and search and rescue missions. They were launched on January 8th of this year, to replace the Mavic 3 Enterprise series, which also had two models, designed to serve the same applications. The camera system of the Matrice 4T features 6 sensors, including 3 main 48 megapixel cameras. The first is a wide-angle camera, with a 1/1.3 inch sensor, 24mm lens, 48 megapixel resolution, and 4K video recording at 30 frames per second. The second is a medium telephoto camera, also with a 1/1.3 inch sensor, 70mm lens, 48 megapixel resolution, and 4K video recording at 30 frames per second. The third camera is a long-range telephoto lens, with a 1/1.5 inch sensor, 168mm lens, 48 megapixel resolution, and 4K recording at 30 frames per second. This powerful camera setup enables up to 112x hybrid zoom. Additionally, it features an infrared thermal camera and LED spotlight that illuminates objects up to 100 meters in the dark, and a laser rangefinder with a reach of up to 1,800 meters. The other drone in this series is the Matrice 4E. Its camera system includes 4 sensors, with the main difference being the primary camera, which features a large 4/3 inch sensor, a 24mm wide-angle lens, 20 megapixel of resolution, and records in 4K at 30 frames per second. The other two cameras are the same as those found on the Matrice 4T. A medium telephoto camera with a 1/1.3 inch sensor, a 70mm lens, 48 megapixels of resolution, and 4K video recording at 30 frames per second. And a long telephoto camera with a 1/1.5 inch sensor, a 168mm lens, 48 megapixels of resolution, and also 4K video at 30 frames per second. This camera setup also offers a powerful hybrid zoom of up to 112 times. Additionally, it features the same laser rangefinder, with a range of up to 1,800 meters. However, It does not include the thermal camera or the infrared LED. In summary, here's how the cameras compare. The Mavic 4 features a Hasselblad main camera that is a true masterpiece. With a mechanical shutter delivering high-quality photos and a massive 100 megapixel resolution, it shoots in 6K at 60 frames per second and can also record stunning cinematic slow motion in 4K at 120 frames per second. The Matrice 4T has a solid main camera, but its sensor is smaller, with 48 megapixels, and records in 4K at 30 frames per second. The Matrice 4E uses a sensor similar in size to the Mavics, but with only 20 megapixels, and also records in 4K at 30 frames per second. Therefore, when it comes to the main camera, the Mavic 4 is definitely the most powerful drone. For the secondary camera, which is the medium telephoto lens, there isn't much of a difference. All of them use a 1/1.3-inch sensor, with 48 megapixels, a 70mm lens, and record in 4K. But the Mavic 4 has the upper hand, since it can reach 60 frames per second, while the Matrice models are limited to just 30 frames per second. The third camera, which is the long telephoto lens, also shows little variation. All have a 1/1.5-inch sensor, 168mm lens, and record in 4K. But again, the Mavic 4 stands out by offering 50 megapixels and up to 60 frames per second, while the Matrice models stick to 48 megapixels and only 30 frames per second. The Mavic 4 features a hybrid zoom of up to 24x, but in this category, the Matrice drones take the lead, offering a powerful 112x hybrid zoom. Now let's check out their special features. The Mavic 4 features an infinite gimbal, unlocking a whole new range of possibilities for capturing cinematic footage with full 360-degree rotation. However, the Matrice drones also have their unique advantages, such as the infrared thermal camera, night vision for seeing in low-light environments, infrared LED illumination with a 100-meter range, and a laser rangefinder with a reach of up to 1,800 meters. In these aspects, the Matrice 4T takes the lead, as it offers the highest number of advanced features. Now let's take a look at the positioning systems. In addition to standard GPS, the Matrice 4 also features an advanced RTK system built directly into the drone. This system can work together with a remote base station to significantly increase accuracy for 3D mapping tasks. That same remote station can also be used to relay the controller signal, extending the range and improving signal stability to avoid obstructions. The Matrice 4 also features an advanced optical positioning and navigation system, with sensors that provide 360-degree protection. These sensors create a virtual image of the surrounding environment, allowing the drone to avoid obstacles and follow terrain contours in real time. The Mavic 4 also features a modern 360-degree obstacle detection and avoidance system. Additionally, it has a front-facing LiDAR sensor with a 25-meter range, combined with powerful AI processing, allows it to memorize routes and navigate autonomously through complex environments, even in low-light conditions and without a GPS signal. Now let's look at the optional accessories. The Matrice 4 features an external port that allows for the connection of various add-ons, like a module that combines LiDAR with radar, enabling it to detect small objects, such as cables as thin as 12 millimeters. It also supports an auxiliary lighting system that follows the gimbal's movement, or a loudspeaker that transmits real-time audio from the controller. The Matrice 4 also includes an additional slot for installing a 4G module, which extends control range and signal stability. Speaking of control, the Matrice uses the new RC+2 Enterprise remote, featuring a 7-inch high brightness screen with 1400 nits, and the O4 Enterprise transmission system, which offers a range of up to 25 kilometers. The Mavic 4 doesn't have many optional accessories, since most of them are already included in the Creator Combo, like the new RC Pro 2 controller, which features a retractable 7-inch high brightness screen with 2000 nits, and the O4 Plus transmission system that offers a range of up to 30 kilometers. The only accessories that are considered optional are the electronic ND filter and the 4G module, which is located on the bottom of the drone. However, this isn't very standardized, since in some countries these items are also being included in the Creator Combo. Now let's look at the physical characteristics. The battery life is pretty much the same for these drones, around 50 minutes. The Matrice offers 49 minutes, while the Mavic goes up to 51 minutes. Both drones can fly at speeds of up to 90 kilometers per hour. The Matrice weighs 1.2 kilograms, and the Mavic a little over 1 kilogram. It's not really possible to compare every spec between these drones, since they are different tools designed with specific functions to meet specialized demands. However, based on the sheer number and variety of features packed into the Matrice 4T, we can safely say it might be the most powerful compact drone available today. A true super drone. Still, all of them represent the cutting edge in compact aerial technology, sharing the same DNA of innovation, intelligence, and high performance. The Mavic 4 Pro redefines the standard for cinematic compact drones. With its new 100-megapixel Hasselblad camera, 360-degree gimbal stabilization, front-facing LiDAR sensor, extended flight time, and the new RC Pro 2 controller with a range of up to 30 kilometers, it's perfect for demanding creators who seek the highest image quality and total creative freedom. The Matrice 4E was designed for 3D mapping and technical surveying. Equipped with advanced sensors, RTK support, and compatibility with the remote station, it delivers high precision for engineering, mining, agriculture, and construction projects. The Matrice 4T, on the other hand, is a true night beast, featuring a thermal camera, infrared lighting, laser rangefinder, and impressive mapping and inspection capabilities. It's the ideal drone for critical missions, search and rescue operations, security forces, inspections, and challenging environments. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.